loss of power, excessive oil consumption, or poor fuel economy are signs it may be time to overhaul your Caterpillar C15. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Overhaul your engine with an overhaul rebuild kit for your Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. We only provide new, high-quality parts in our Caterpillar C15 engine overhaul rebuild kits. Each part follows strict OE specifications and tolerances and is built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting durability. This kit comes with 6 cylinder kits consisting of liners and liner gasket sets, forged alloy steel pistons, hardened and tempered piston pins with retainers, and piston ring sets. Tri-metal construction rod and main bearings for ultimate durability, keeping your engine's crankshaft moving. A major overhaul gasket set with all the O-rings, seals, and gaskets to properly seal your C15. 2 thrust plates are also included in this overhaul rebuild kit. Engine braking is critical. Be sure to follow the proper break-in procedure to avoid engine complications with oil consumption, fuel economy, and engine power. And don't forget to check out Highway and Heavy Parts' wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 2-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.